It's an angel. Hi. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Do you have news? Yeah? Yeah, you got some news? What is it? Oh! Mary's going to have the Son of God? It's okay for me to marry her? That's great news. Thank you so much. I will marry her since it's God's will.